Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're doing another repair cafe or a repair cafe attempt. I'm trying to repair this little guy, which is a toy for my kid, and it goes up and down, and you can press the button here, which is here. And when you change the up and down, it does different kind of sounds, but it stopped working, and that's why I opened it up at the circuit here. And I'm going to show you how. Well, first I'm going to show you all the connections and elements that it has, and then I'm going to show you what it's malfunctioning right now. So on the bottom, there is the battery. You can see here, two wires connected, goes into a chip, a board with a little chip. On the back side of it, it has this contact thing, which is where the button was lying. So when you press, it closes the contacts on those fingers, and it continues the signal, the electric signal, through the board, and then it connects also to this light here, which goes inside this head, so the whole lantern lights up when it's doing sound. It also has a piezo here for doing sound. You can see the output speakers on the back of the toy, and there's a little clicker here, which will, when this piece goes all the way down, it clicks that thing and it closes the connection. So that's how the board knows that the connection is closed and it can play a different sound. Okay, so the problem right now is that when I turn it on, it just does this. I can close the connection. Does nothing. So yeah, I think there might be something wrong with it. I thought it might be like a short circuit somewhere on the soldering, or bad soldering, or bad contact. But I looked everything up and it looks fine. I mean, I don't know how well you can see things here, but all the soldering here looks alright. The other side, all the soldering looks okay. Also on the button itself, it looked fine. On the piezo, it looked fine. So the sound is working, the LED is working. I think the problem is on the chip itself, and the chip is just a blob. You can see that blob thingy in the middle. I'm gonna point it with this thing. They put this blob usually on top of chips, so you don't see the chip itself, and you have to like scrape the blob off if you want to access the chip. They probably reuse these kind of chips for different toys. They probably reuse these breadboards for different toys and just change the audio or stuff like that. So yeah, I don't think it's really fixable. It's more bad contact on the chip itself. No contacts on the backside, only has the fingers for closing the contact, and it's not like a permanent closed contact on this backside either, because when I close this, it doesn't do any different thing. I don't know. So yeah, this was a bit of a failed repair cafe attempt, but well, I learned how it works from the inside, and it's worth showing. So I guess I'm gonna put it back together, and it just does this weird sound. And lights up, which is important. I have another toy, which was also from Shiku, curiously enough, which has a similar thing. It was Ferrari keys thing. We're supposed to turn it on, and then you can click different buttons on the thing, and it does supposedly different sounds. It never quite worked. When it came, it would only do one weird sound, and then after it got a lot of beating from our kid, it started sort of working sometimes, other times it doesn't. So I think it's just the chip that isn't very good. I always thought it would be like a short circuit somewhere, but unless it's in the contacts here, I don't see what it could be, and I don't see anything short-circuiting these contacts. So yeah, well, this was more of a showing you the gutted part of this lantern boy. I'm gonna put it back together. Now, I'm not sure if I can do this on camera. Probably better do it off camera. I don't really remember where all the pieces go. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye everyone. Take care.